column footing as per design. Default column footing size is here 4 feet by 5 feet, and change to 5 feet by 5 feet or etc. Then first select RBS1 for explode text, then select FCH command for change the column footing size. Go to structural, footing size as per design, explode plus remove. Command shortcut command RBS1. Select text, press enter, then go to structural, footing as per design, change footing sizes. Then press Y for you have plan and schedule. Select column motion drawing, plan, then press enter. Select plan, press enter, then pick RCC size, then select column exploded group, RCC size, then column group, press enter, RCC size, column group, enter, RCC size, column group, press enter, enter. Then display or update column footing. Click here. Shortcut command is CFT. Click here. Then select your plan. Press 2 times enter. Then display column footing size. Press Y. Display column footing. Use structural column footing as per design. Update or display footing. Select plan. Press enter. Press enter. Press yes or no. If you want to change box footing, go to more, click layer off, and click layer off.